welcome to our new Let's Play.
Welcome to our new Let's Play of opening a frickin' toy. On this episode, we'll be opening a frickin' toy.
Because that's what it should be called, the epic toy opening.
That's right.
Yep, the grand opening.
I'm gonna maul this thing. It's gonna be in like 8 pieces by the time we're done with it.
You seriously going to maul this thing? Even my Wollywogs agree.
The Wollywogs agree.
Those vlogs from way in the future.
Futuristic frogs.
Yeah. All Wollywogs. They're the cutest thing ever. Waffles. They're just adorably cute. Come on, can you get much cuter than a baby Wollywog? I don't think you can.
Suddenly there's wires involved. I don't know.
It's wires.
I don't know about remote control stuff with wires. Used to always irritate the crap out of it, like when you had the remote control cars back in the day. And it's like, hey, you got this cool car that's attached to this thing with a wire or something. You can just run after it really fast. Should be like a new fitness program.
Hello viewers, welcome to our new Let's Play of Super Mario
Dude, he starts
Odyssey.
every video that way. It's like, we've been playing a Let's Play for like 8 weeks. And be like, welcome to our new Let's Play. A Super Smash Bros. Brawl, which we don't have.
He calls it Dragon Ball Z.
Yeah. Stop chewing on your fingers.
Blue, 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 blue,
Next
blue.
time on Dragon Ball Z.
See, viewers? I can call it that if he calls. I can call it Super Smash Bros.
Krillin was short and angry about it. He really wanted a date, but Master Roshi got the date instead of him. Except he didn't, because he's a dirty old man. Meanwhile, Piccolo sucks. And Vegeta's angry about things. Frieza is some sort of weird, you know... What is Frieza? What is Frieza? Hey, you guys, out there, viewers, what the crap is Frieza? Seriously, he talks like an angry, uptight chick, and he looks like he's got lipstick on, but they always refer to him as a he. What is Frieza? What is he?
What is Frieza? What is Frieza?
Okay, so there's like pseudo battery. What is this? They're like, hey, we're gonna put 2 of the 6 batteries you need in here. We're gonna get you started. You're halfway there. I'm sorry. A third of the way there.
Why are you taking those ones out?
Cause I don't know what they are. They're like battery brand batteries or something.
Batteries.
They're like Intercell or some sort of weird hybrid. Duragizer.
Oh, there it goes.
Whoa. 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 It's just gonna like fall over. It's meh, we're good.
Stop making me laugh. Let me see it.
Whoa. It totally is trying to eat your face. This is, I don't know.
It's evil. It's evil.
I think maybe this really isn't like an indoor thing.
No, I don't think it is.
I mean, it's a helicopter.
Yeah.
So,
Don't aim it at me.
we'll aim it over here.
Don't aim it at Quinn or Valiant or me. Just like massacre the table.
Let's try it again.
It's screaming. Wow, you can feel the wind from it. Valiant, what do you say about that?
What do you say we take this thing outside?
Why not?
chopper. It just,
At least when you're driving it.
He was this poor rabbit. It's a POW.
Are we continuing this outside then?
I think we must.
Okay.
The chopper, everyone! Watch out!
Oh, no, it's the ground!
My Wally super prepared.
Whoa, hey.
I think it's very unpredictable, isn't it?
It's unplayable. It's not a play for weekend. Don't play it. Same.
Let's see. Whoa. Hey, fella.
Hey, don't. It's moving.
Don't go back down there. This thing is hilarious.
I mean, it's out. It's out.
Okay, let's see it again. You want to give it a shot, buddy? See if it works? Whoa. Okay, come here. Alright, come here.
Why?
Because you can... Okay, so once it starts to go, you can't just let go of this thing. But what you do is hold it like this, like a video game. This goes up, and this thing can go in any direction. So that's forward, back, left, right. But you have to hold that up. Come on. Stop pushing it back and down and back up. Back up. Maybe get closer to it. Whoa. Yep. Sorry.
Sorry for all the mischief.
All the mischief.
All the mist. Okay, let's give it a shot. Come here. Okay.
Really?
Oh, Valiant's in control. This is scary.
You gotta keep it going. You gotta kind of stay close to it, I think. Try again. Closer. That hit that works. Gardening. It's like a weed whacker. So they're like trimming some things.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Oh wow, we're gonna go.
Oh no, it's over the
Not gonna
roof.
end well if this thing just cuts out. Try it again, Here it goes.
Daddy caught it in his hand. Daddy's a helicopter whisperer. Okay, closer, Betty.
Get a jiggle. No.
Oh, Bodie. No.
This thing is funny.
I know.
It's got like a mind of its own. It's
Yeah.
really possessed.
That was way up there.
Try it again,
There it goes.
Try and use the other one to steer it back. This thing gets up.
Now I want you to.
Or not.
Stop, not up. Seriously, you're killing my hands. Don't press up, Let go of the up. Let go of the up.